Hello everyone, welcome to our last sessions of Illustrator for Beginners workshop. I'm Shane from IT Society and a new markers. So today, I'm going to introduce you about the Shape Builder tool and the Live Pocket tools. So first, let's go to the Shape Builder tool. If you look at the left profile, you can see it here. So now, first let's draw a circle. Hold Shift, click and drag for a perfect circle. And now, hold Alt, click and drag, copy another circle. Just select all these circles and select the Shape Builder tool here. The first function of the Shape Builder tool is to merge the shape. Click and drag through the circle. So you can see the circle now is merged. Okay, so press Ctrl Z to undo. Second function of Shape Builder tool is to separate the shape according to the outline of the shape. So now, click on the intersection arrows, and now press V for the selection tool. You can now find the intersection point of these are all separated. Okay, undo. Here comes to the exclude part. So select all, select the Shape Builder tool. So once we hold Alt, we'll find the cursor. The plus sign on the cursor is become a minus sign, which means the mode is now changed. So now hold Alt and click on the part you want to delete. You can see the part is now deleted. And we can also hold Alt, click and drag to delete the part. Delete all. So we can also make a new shape using a Shape Builder tool. So let's say we want to make a star. Now, create a perfect circle, hold Shift and drag. Now, hold Alt and copy the same circle 3 times. Make sure there's no gap between them. Select all these 4 circles. Select the Shape Builder tool. Here we cannot select the inner part is because of those circles are not attached together. So now we have to remove the stroke and make sure that all the circles are attached together. Make sure there's no gap between them. Now select all, select the Shape Builder tool, and you can click on the center part here to fill the shape. And now hold Alt and delete all these 4 circles. So now it is a star shape we want to make. Okay, now let's go to the Live Paint Bucket tool, which is located up here also. Right click and select, or you can select it by the shortcut key K. Now you can create 2 circles. Select all, select the Live Paint Bucket tool, and now you can see that the cursor is having a small bucket below, and there is 3 little boxes which indicate the colors you choose now. So arrangement on these colors is based on the swatch here. So if you don't have this swatch panel, you can navigate to Window and check swatch. Alright, so when you place your cursor on the canvas, you'll see that there's a stop sign below the bucket, which means that you can't paint at this area, and you only can paint on the shape part. So now you can change the color by select directly from the swatch panel, or you can select the color by pressing the right or left arrow on the keyboard. So you can see when you press the left and right arrow, the color on the 3 boxes is changing. So let's say I want to paint here green. So I select green color and click here. Then you select another color for here. Alright, so we can also paint our hand drawing using the Live Paint Bucket tool also. So now let's select the pencil tool and draw 2 circles. maybe go to photo. You can't see them because it's now got no stroke here. So I can select the story. So now you may notice that there's some place we can't paint it here. So let's say I want to choose the colors. We can paint here and paint here, but we can't paint here. It's because there's a gap here. So now navigate to the setting, go to the object, live paint, and the gap option. If your gap detection is not checked, please check it and change the gap to the large gap. Then you can see the gap found right here. Click OK. Then now we can paint here as well. Or we can change the color of the stroke on the shape as well. So double click at the paint bucket and check the paint stroke here. Click OK. So now you can paint the stroke as well. Like this. So for each painted group, they'll be grouped automatically. So if you want to separate them, you can select the group that you want to separate. Go head to Object, select Expand, click OK. And now right click to ungroup them. You can find that all the shapes can be separated. So go to this one, select, go to Object, Expand, click OK. Right click, ungroup. Then the color and the stroke will be separated. And once we ungroup the stroke also, the stroke can be separated as well. Alright, so that's all from me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you at the next workshop, and thank you very much for watching our series. Thank you.